Hey, what's up my good people? Today I'm going to show you how to super clean your windshield, especially inside, but we're also going to do on the outside. So when you're cleaning on the inside, sometimes there is very weird positions that you're not able. Sometimes you try to reach out there, it's difficult. So today I'm going to show you how to do it, and we're going to be using the most available stuff in our home, like the dishwasher. All you need is something that has a degreaser option on it. You can also use the gunk agent degreaser, but just to be able to accommodate everybody, let's use the Dawn. And you also need two microfiber towels. One is gonna be wet and one is gonna be dry. All right, so you're also gonna need some warm water in a clean bucket. So we're gonna add a few drops of the soap, and then the wet towel, we're gonna dip it in there. And like I said, I want to show you some tricks on how to clean inside your windshield, especially the hard to reach areas. This is a technique that I've learned, and I hope it's going to help somebody else there. So all you need is dip that towel in the soapy water, and then you're gonna fold it twice. Place your thumb like that, and all you need is to be able to clean your windshield with the back of your hand. We're gonna make up and down streaks, and then we're gonna do some horizontal, something like this. Let me show you. So you're gonna climb in front of your screen, your steering wheel. Of course it's in front of screen, and make some up and down streaks, and then back and forth. Repeat the steps multiple times for you to get the best results. So you're gonna repeat that steps multiple times. And right now we are using the wet towel, and now we're gonna switch to the dry towel. We're gonna fold it the same way we did with the wet towel. The inventor of this technique is calling it the cobra method. You're gonna repeat the same way we did, back and forth, up and down, and then side by side. And as you can see, it start to getting super clean, as you can see. But you cannot get the best result without cleaning the front of the windshield as well. And also in the front of the windshield, we are doing horizontal and up and down. So when you're doing this, don't also forget to super clean your wipers. The wipers, they have a lot of gunk, all the stuff that you clean your windshield, anything that you collect on your windshield is collected right there on the wiper blade. So if you clean that wiper blade nice and clean, you will notice that those wiper blades will become like, it's like new in them. They will come back like new. And then after that, you just rinse it and wait for the results. And now look at that. Even the wiper blades, when they are cleaning, they are not making the weird squeaking noise anymore. Let me know what you think about this video on the comment section. Otherwise, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned.